With sincere heart, we arm ourselves by skillful art. From creation to manufacturing, we turn the concept into reality and put it into production. Each unit of our products are customized to meet clients' business and needs. This is marvelous. Solving practical problems in a simple way is the philosophy my team and we always insist. We are the product designer of Hysoar. Facing the sunlight every day, we walk into commodious and bright workshop, work at a clean and tidy production line, and carefully perform daily quality inspection for every product without missing any defects. Focusing on innovation and continuous improvement is persistent work for my co-workers and I. We are product manufacturer of Hysoar. From one city to another, from North America to Europe, from Changzhou, China to every corner in the world, we seriously check every material provided by suppliers. Leading a green, environment-friendly, and low-carbon life and protecting natural resources are the responsibilities for every Hysoar marketing man. From remote mountains to great plains, from rural areas to prosperous cities, it is the bright light in the darkness that illuminates the road under every fighter's feet and gives him infinite courage and hope. It is the bright light in the darkness that touches and warms every homesicker's heart. Safety, reliability, and dependability. Those are Hysoar's original aspiration and mission. What we pursue is the best quality and 100% reliability. Our main products are headlights, fog lights, and mirrors used for heavy-duty trucks. From development to market management, we insist on applying standard quality plan. Hysoar has its own excellent independent R&D team to provide unique and customized products through professional techniques, sample tests, and special experiments, etc. Hysoar has its own perfect quality management system and has successively passed 9001 quality management systems and American DOT and SAE certifications. To guarantee high-quality products, we continuously conduct accurate tests in production line. Hysoar has its unique purchasing system and fast, convenient, and safe warehouse management. Hysoar faithfully carries out the principle of protecting world environment and does its best to make it come true. Those are the main factors why Hysoar becomes an important partner in international market. Those are the irreplaceable technical cores and important instruments for enhancing Hysoar's market competitiveness. Hysoar has been adhering to the full participation philosophy and been responsible for all staff. By carrying out pluralistic and international training, Hysoar offers opportunities for growth to all staff. Hysoar trusts and encourages employees to release potential and do best. With great efforts, Hysoar's clients have covered a large number of countries and areas in North and South America, Europe, and Southeast Asia. Having the global marketing and service network, we can provide our clients excellent consultation and customized service. Success begins with action, profits from quality, and lasts by persistence. Hysoar, enlighten the world and power your future.